Welcome to another edition of Juicing with Jay. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe button, bell notification if you haven't. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Happy Life, who's helping me to run my playlist. I thought I had way more hours than I did, but I don't. So shout outs to Happy Life for doing that. I got a question from a fellow YouTuber last night, Precious SoCal Gardening. And I said I was gonna make a video this morning, and look, it's about the sugarcane. As you guys know, a couple months ago, all my sugarcane blew over, and now this is my sugarcane revitalized. I also sent out some cuttings of sugarcanes to whoever wanted them, and right now we have one sugarcane down, which is kind of like a good thing because now I can demonstrate when to harvest the sugarcane. So as you can see, this is all new growth right here. This is all new growth. So when you start to see your sugarcane looking like this, just the shaft of the sugarcane, then you know that your sugarcane is ready to be harvested. So if you come up here, I'll peel this back. And of course, you always want to deal with sugarcane with gloves on. These are razor sharp. So as you start to peel it back, you'll see that this is not ready yet. It's just pretty much all green under here. So that is not ready. So if you see your sugarcane and it looks like that, don't even waste your time. It's not ready to be harvested. But as soon as you see anything that looks like this, and usually you'll get this about, let me get my measuring. Okay, so there you have it. This is about 21 inches. All right. So if you see anything that looks like this, then it's good to go. You can harvest, but you want to wait till it's about at least 4 feet for a good harvest. For a good harvest of cane. So you want to wait till it's about 4 feet. But unless if you really want sugar cane, this is already good to go. So for this right here, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's kind of short. It is edible, but I'm probably not gonna waste my time trying to get at this sugar cane right now. So that's what it should look like when you're ready to harvest your sugar cane. All right, you guys know the motto: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.